All right, so this next one's all about using parallel construction, and that just means that making sure that all of the parts of your sentences just fit nicely together. When something feels a little off, it's usually because the structure isn't balanced, parts don't match, or maybe the rhythm's uneven in the sentences. And suddenly that just makes everything seem a little awkward or confusing. And it often happens most often when things in a list don't follow the same pattern, or phrases don't quite line up. So this is another common edit, a simple mistake that's easy to fix, but it's a great chance to put AI Assistant to work. So here's how it goes. I'm going to copy the prompt right here. And I have an example just to make sure we're all on the same page right here of the unbalanced construction. So we have the sentence for example right here. The manager wanted to increase efficiency, improving communication, and that everyone arrives on time, right? So you can see the wording, the infinitive to increase is not being used correctly. What we should say is manager wanted to increase efficiency, improve communication, and so on. So it's another one of those simple mistakes that can easily get missed. Here's our example right here. We have it both in paragraph format as well as in a list format. New ideas to encourage creativity and thinking innovatively. That doesn't sound right. And the next steps, which focuses on actionable steps. So duplicate, and we'll just put it to work here. You know how it goes. We'll select it and just let AI Assistant. And again, the whole benefit here is these are the common edits that I find in e-learning. But the really big picture, I think, lesson here for you is just looking at that prompt field in AI Assistant as really an open prompt. Tell it what you want it to do. Tell it ways that you want to correct your content, and it'll take care of that for you. So we'll see what it comes up with here. And let's just replace didn't mean to do that. It's going to replace it below. I didn't mean to do that. Let's just select everything up here and delete it. I think once I sort of half pressed that mouse down, I was committed. And there we go. So we went from, let's see if we can compare the first of these, serving a structured guide that outlines activities, discussing points, right? And then we can see activities, discussion points, and specific goals and not achieve. So on. So it looks a lot better right here. New ideas to encourage creativity and innovation. And before we had creativity and thinking innovatively. So that's it. Just another prompt you can add to your toolkit if it's something that you find you see in mistakes in content, or just file it off as a good to know type prompt for maybe those fringe cases for you.